today I'm going to teach you how to mine ice. So kindly subscribe to our channel, like the video, and also share for others to benefit from this project. I will be leaving the referral link in the description box. So when you tap on the referral link, it will redirect you to a site like this. Then the next thing that you have to do, it says sign up today, use the code below and receive 10 ice coin. So you just have to copy them. So when you use the invitation code here, you get 10 ice. Alright, so you just have to copy. Alright, so it says copied. Then you go to the Google Play Store symbol there. When you tap on it, it will bring you to Google Play Store. Then you have to install the app. So this ice decentralized future. Alright, so you have to install. Alright, so after it finished installing, you just have to go to the open button. Alright, so when it comes like this, what you have to do is to type in your email. So DUYScrypto@gmail.com. Then you go to log in or sign up. Alright, so when it comes like this, just go to your email address and go and click. It says we've emailed a magic link to DUYScrypto@gmail.com. So click the link to log in or sign up. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do is go to our email that we use for the registration. So when you open your email address, you can see that you have new alerts. You can see the ice. When you go to, you see the ice at the promotion section. Then you tap on it. Then you go to where the ice is. So the next thing that you have to do is to click on the sign into ice. Alright, so when it comes like this, it's demanding for the code that they've sent us on the app when we were signing in. So I got 616. So as you can see from here, it was 616. So you are going to type in the 616. So you have to go back to the application. Alright, so when you tap back on the application, it will ask you to go to the next step. Then they will ask you to enter your nickname. Your nickname is your username. So for instance, DUYScrypto. Then you go to next. Then they will ask you who invited you. So you have to paste in the username that you copied. So enter DUYS. Then you paste in the DUYS. Alright, then you go to complete. So type in the DUYS. When you type in the DUYS, you are going to receive your 10 ice. So it says, you see it says your current balance is plus 10 ice. Means you've received when you use the referral code. So the next thing that you have to do is to go to complete. So right now I'm going to how to mine the ice. So you have to come to this. It says tap here to start your first mining. So as you can see that the hammer is means it is what mine the ice. So you can see that right now the 10 has a green arrow beside the left side, means now the earning rate per hour, you are going to get 10 ice per hour. So the more, so you have to go to invite friends and start earning from there. So you just have to copy your link through WhatsApp and share through WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, and whatever channel that you want to share your link to. So I will advise you to copy link and share. Alright, the next thing that you have to do is to complete this task. So the first one is to claim your nickname, start earning, then update your profile picture, follow us on Twitter, join them on Telegram, and invite 5 people. Then you grow up your team. Then when you are done with all these 6, means you've unlocked everything here. Thank you for being with DUYS Media TV. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the notification so that anytime we send in any airdrop, you will get the notification. Also, kindly comment, share, and like the video for other people to benefit from this project. Keep this in mind, airdrop are 100% free. Don't pay any amount or any fee for any airdrop. Also, do your own research before joining any airdrop project. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop project will succeed. Thank you.